Hi, thanks for watching the Meatless Farm Spaghetti Bolognese walkthrough. Let's begin. Preheat a pan to a medium heat and add a little oil. Next, add the whole block of mince without breaking it up. Let it brown on one side before turning it over as a block. Now you can start to break it up, add some salt and oil. Keep cooking it until the strands of mince are browned to get the best bite. Pour your bolognese sauce over the mince and simmer on a medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Get your water boiling for the pasta and add a pinch of salt and olive oil so it doesn't stick. Put your pasta in the water, allow to boil for 8 to 10 minutes depending on how you like it. Pour in a splash of the pasta water to loosen up the sauce and add some fresh basil. Drain the pasta, add a little dash of olive oil and portion onto plates. Spoon over the bolognese sauce, garnish, and enjoy.